First thing you're going to want to do is take your T20 bit and take out these 6 screws.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande Scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande Scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
Next, you're going to take this back plate cover off with your T20 bit. Just 2 little screws right here. Now you take your 8mm wrench and you loosen this bolt right here. It's on both sides. And you can move this slide over. Already loosen the other side, and you move it over, then you can start untwisting this side. Then you want to take your T20 bit and loosen this bolt and the one right across from it too. And then after you get it all twisted out, pops right on out. Loosen this. Do your T20, move that over. Screw this all the way out, pull it out. Next, you're going to have to pop the conveyor belt out of its little connector right here. You're going to pull up on it a little hard. And then make sure it's a little loose. You set it back down a little bit and then come back to the other end. Now you're going to want to put your keepers in the lock position because you're going to end up lifting up on the conveyor belt a little bit so they don't slide back out. Now you're going to want to put your hand about halfway down the conveyor belt. You can lift up on it and it loosens up these belts. Pop that one out, you go to the other side, pop it out. You can set your conveyor belt back down. Now to change the conveyor belt, you need to lift up, put your hand to hold up underneath of it. You take a 10mm wrench, you loosen this side a little bit, loosen the other side, looks like this. So right here, loosen that up. Then you can take your size 3 Allen wrench right here and start loosening it, and you can see it go in. You do that to the other side, and now you can put the back side in, lift it up, and start twisting out the conveyor belt. And then in reverse order to put it back in.